Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love a good cup of tea, and this particular flavor and brand is one of my absolute favorites. This tea is by Harney and Sons, which one of my favorite things about them is that their teas come in adorable tins. There's just something that hits different about tea in a beautiful tin like this, which you can totally upcycle afterwards, which is pretty cool. The tea bags themselves are really beautiful and excellent quality too. They're in this kind of pyramid triangular shape, and you can visibly see the tea leaves. It's just really great quality. It feels like you're drinking a luxurious tea, and it's a beautiful little self-care moment. Or if you just love tea, you're really going to appreciate the quality here. So this flavor is chocolate mint. I love to put a little bit of honey in it, and that's it. I'll add in my hot water, let it steep for a few minutes, and it is so delicious. The chocolate and mint flavor both really come through in this tea. And I just think that it is so incredibly yummy. It is one of my favorite things, and Harney and Sons is like no other. I love the quality, and I'm always so happy with their tea. I highly recommend checking it out because every single cup is just as good as the last. It is so comforting and so incredibly delicious, and it's always got that Harney and Sons quality. If you love chocolate and mint, you have got to check out this tea. The quality is just so good, and this is just the cutest little tin that it comes in. I think you're gonna love this tea as well, but that's just my point of view.